Mailstop POS is your centralized retail solution for Magento. Do you feel overwhelmed by all the expensive solutions for Magento on the marketplace? Or do you need help running and scaling your Magento system, but your current system doesn't address your specific needs? Then you've come to the right place. Mailstop POS lets you run Magento as a powerful centralized system with all your information in one place. Check out an order in under 10 seconds and have it directly synchronized with your Magento backend. This allows for inventory visibility of your item levels in real time. Got multiple stores? Check their stock levels right on the POS screen. Our solution is highly customizable and can be tailored to your specific expectations and special requirements. It also works on any setup, from iPads, Android tablets to desktop PCs and Macs. Omnichannel is not just another feature. It's about improving customer experience to the best possible level. Contact us now for a free personal demo session. Let's talk more about your business and how we can help you grow.